Are you self-employed or 1099 and don't show enough income to qualify? Or are you an investor who doesn't want to show their tax returns and want to buy another property? Well, we have solutions for you. So thanks for joining me on Midweek Mortgage Talk. We're doing this one live. We are talking about alternative financing solutions. So when we're qualifying someone to buy a home, we look at three important things. We look at credit score, we look at income, and we look at assets. Now, when it comes to income, we usually collect your W-2s and your pay stubs if you work for a company, or if you're self-employed, we look at the last year of tax returns and sometimes the last 2 years of tax returns and average out that monthly income after write-offs. So that's your net income, what you're showing to the IRS. Now, there's things that, as a business owner, you may not want to, you may want to reduce your tax liability and have some write-offs so you're not showing enough income to qualify for a home loan. So I have a solution for that. We have a few. One of them is our 12-month bank statement program. So we can have the option of collecting 12 months worth of bank statements or even 24 months of bank statements and using that as income to qualify. Well, you say, how do I do that? Well, we're going to take your total deposits minus any transfers back and forth from your accounts, and we're going to take those deposits and add them all together and divide it by 12. And if in the case of 24 months, we'll divide it by 24. And that's what we're going to use as monthly income to qualify. So if you're self-employed, we can utilize that bank statement program to help you buy a home, whether it's a primary residence, second home, or even an investment property. Those requirements, depending on the occupancy, is going to be at least 20% down. Now, that is for our bank statement program. So if you don't show enough, or, I know a lot of our referral partners as real estate agents, do make some money, but they have write-offs, they have, advertising expenses or, car, vehicle, mileage, things like that bring their total income down. We have those solutions for you. Now, if you're 1099 and you work for an employer, so a truck driver, a realtor, or just even someone in the trades that's 1099 by a company, we can also use that 1099 and qualify you as well. Now, we're going to take the 1099 amount and divide that by 12, or if we're gonna also ask for a year-to-date pay stub from your current company, because those who are 1099 are also self-employed, and then it's up to them to file their returns and pay the taxes on there instead of a company where they take taxes out up front. So we have those solutions. 1099 income and self-employed borrowers, our 12 and 24 month bank statement program. Another solution that we have for our investors, and we're seeing investors get in the game more and more because they feel that there's going to be, they see the opportunity, even though rates are higher, they do see the opportunity in this softening market heading into the winter for investment properties. So the investment property loan, or it's called the debt service coverage ratio loan, we use the rental income to qualify. We're not going to ask for tax returns. We're just going to make sure you have enough assets to buy that property, and it's usually 20% down. And then we take that potential rental income to qualify for that home loan. That way you're not showing your tax returns. So we've got some outside the box products here to help you get into a home for either, whether it's your primary residence or whether you're buying an investment property. We're here to help out. And for our referral partners or even business owners out there, for our Elevate and Excel Chicagoland education series next month on Wednesday, November 8th, we're going to actually bring in an underwriter. We're going to bring in a CPA. We're going to talk about, some of the things to look for, the different types of filings as a self-employed borrower. And we're going to guide you through that process and maybe help you buy a home if whether it's this program or just doing our regular conforming loans. So hopefully you can join us then. And I will see you next week on Midweek Mortgage Talk. Thanks.